Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. In the heart of a bustling metropolis, nestled amidst towering skyscrapers and concrete jungles, lies a serene haven, a modern black house, cloaked in a verdant tapestry of tropical trees. This architectural marvel stands as a testament to the harmony between human ingenuity and the natural world, offering a sanctuary of tranquility and aesthetic appeal. The exterior of the house is a striking contrast between the deep, velvety black of its facade and the vibrant green of the lush foliage that drapes over it. The black hue, often associated with elegance and mystery, adds a touch of sophistication to the overall design. It also serves as a canvas for the lush tropical trees to showcase their vibrant colors and textures. The trees, carefully selected for their compatibility with the local climate, create a living, breathing wall of greenery, softening the stark lines of the structure and providing a sense of natural abundance. In front of the house, a meticulously manicured lawn stretches out like a green carpet, inviting relaxation and contemplation. The lawn is framed by a tropical garden, bursting with a kaleidoscope of colors and fragrances. Palm trees sway gently in the breeze, their fronds casting dappled shadows on the ground. Exotic flowers, such as hibiscus, orchids, and bougainvillea, add bursts of color to the landscape. The garden is a testament to the homeowner's passion for nature and their ability to create a harmonious coexistence between the built environment and the natural world. The interior of the house is equally impressive, featuring clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and abundant natural light. Large windows and sliding doors seamlessly connect the living spaces with the outdoor garden, blurring the boundaries between indoors and out. The use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, adds warmth and texture to the interior, creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. This modern black house is more than just a dwelling. It is a statement of design excellence and a commitment to sustainability. The careful selection of materials, the thoughtful integration of greenery, and the emphasis on natural light all contribute to a home that is both aesthetically pleasing and environmentally friendly. It is a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of city life, reconnect with nature, and find solace in the beauty of simplicity. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.